This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Bill and Jill team. Many updates. New central air conditioner installed in 2019 with 10-year warranty. Updated kitchen with new custom cabinets and butcher block countertops. Bathroom completely remodeled in 2021. Some new windows on first floor. New vinyl flooring installed on first level in 2018. 2 bedrooms on main level. Entire upstairs is third bedroom with original wood floors and include 2 closets and additional attic storage. Full unfinished basement. Detached 2-car garage. Nice sized front and backyard with mature shade trees. Close to numerous options for shopping and entertainment. A bike ride to the fairgrounds and the Fall Creek Trail. Minutes from downtown. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill and Jill team at 317-374